Emma had always loved cooking, but after moving to a new city for work, she barely had time to make meals for herself. One evening, she called her grandmother, reminiscing about the warm, homemade dishes that once filled their home. Sensing Emma's loneliness, Grandma gave her advice. Cooking is not just about food, it's about love. When you cook for others, you nourish their hearts as much as their bodies. Inspired, Emma decided to invite her neighbors over for dinner. She spent hours preparing a homemade feast, savory stew, fresh baked bread, and a warm apple pie. As the food simmered, the kitchen filled with comforting aromas, reminding her of the love poured into every family meal she once shared. That night, her small apartment was filled with laughter and conversation. Neighbors who were once strangers shared stories over steaming plates of food. Emma realized that meals had a way of bringing people together, creating bonds beyond words. As the evening ended, one elderly neighbor smiled and said, "This reminds me of home. It's been years since I had a meal like this." Emma felt warmth in her heart. She had not just fed them, but made them feel cared for. From then on, Emma made cooking a part of her life, not just for herself but for those around her. She learned that food was more than nourishment, it was a way to express love, build connections, and create lasting memories. Moral: the true value of a meal is not in its ingredients, but in the love and care shared with others.